Hey everyone, Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another video. Today I have yet another protein shake recipe without using protein powder. 30 grams of protein, 4 ingredients, and it's super quick and easy to prepare. So let's go over the ingredients real quick. So first off, we have the silken tofu, 400 grams of this. And silken tofu is essentially tofu that has more water content, so it's a lot softer. 20 grams of protein just from this block of tofu. Now this is made of soy, so if you're allergic or intolerant to soy, don't use this, use something else. So next up we have a medium banana. You can see the spots coming in here, which means it's ripe. Then we have some hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are an amazing source of iron, omega-3s, protein. Hemp seeds, as you guys know, I've been including them in every single one of these recipe videos because I'm a huge believer of hemp life. And then finally, we have the last ingredient of the day, which is gonna be some mixed frozen berries. So this is gonna increase the vitamin and nutrient density of the protein shake. It's gonna add a lot of vitamin C, antioxidants. We're gonna be using 1 cup of these frozen berries. And instead of using milk, we're just gonna be topping it off with water because, you know, we're keeping it minimal today and trying to save cash where we can. Okay, so no time to waste, let's get started. So first off, I like to put the water or the liquid in first, just because it blends easier that way. So I'm gonna be using, you know, just a little bit. You can use as much or as little as you want, depending on how thick or thin you want the consistency of your protein shake to be. Next up, we're gonna be putting in the silken tofu. Check this out, the consistency, it's like a pudding. It's so crazy. Okay, put that in there. Whoa, Kat is in the background shaking her head. It's a disaster every time I'm cooking in the kitchen here. Next up, we got the banana. And I managed to screw that one up as well. So this is definitely a unique way of peeling your bananas right here. It's like a double-barreled shotgun. Then we're gonna be putting in the hemp seeds. Got 2 tablespoons here. 1 and 2. Then lastly, we have the mixed berries. These have actually defrosted a little bit already, which is not great because we want the smoothie cold. At least I prefer it that way. Boom. Right, so the next step is simply putting the lid on to your blender, and that's it. All right, so let's pour it down into a glass. Beautiful purple color. 30 grams of protein, probably delicious too. Moment of truth, let's try it out. Never disappointed, but don't take my word for it. Let's go over to the family, see how they like it. You wanna try the smoothie?
Is it good?
Looks like Noah is approving it.
Is it thumbs up?
Good? Yes, fist bump.
Thumbs up?
And mommy's turn. What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah?
Pretty, like, plain,
Yeah.
simple, so I think most people would like it. So I think if you want like more flavor, maybe add some more flavorful fruits like, I don't know, mango or pineapple or something like that. But
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah, berries are not the sweetest.
It's gonna be super filling.
Try to steal my microphone? You wanna sing? Sing us something. Anyways, another successful protein shake recipe without using any protein powder. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this, let me know by clicking the like button and leaving a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you very soon. Peace out.